अनिल, मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ।
ओके ओके, अब जैसे लाइव बोलोगे विल स्टार्ट वीडियो।
जस्ट लाइव, इट्स लाइव।
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Digital Book Forum brought to you by Tata Tele. This is Anil Chaube, your host for the day, and I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself and your families. Do Big Forum is a learning and awareness platform where we try and address few of the most critical technology subject and bring forth an opportunity to interact with technology and solution experts. With a changing digital ecosystem at work, it is necessary for organization to stay ahead of competition, continue to drive better customer experience, be resilient, agile, and adapt. While work gets smarter, customer experiences are getting reimagined, becoming more dynamic, personalized, interactive, and engaging, rethinking the flow of connectivity. And we, as a Tata Tele Business Services, is committed to work closely with organizations of all size by bringing new and innovative solutions which reduce the gap between businesses and customers and drive better efficiency. In this pursuit, today we have brought an interesting topic, especially for businesses and IT leaders like you. The topic will help us to understand the importance of bringing technology in customer communication space and how a right solution can raise a bar in a driving wow customer experiences and changing the face of cybersecurity, enterprises security risk, drivers of cybersecurity in the case studies. So before starting the session, I would like to take few opinion of yours via poll. So I would request all the attendees to please click tab available on the screen at the right side where you will be able to find poll questions. Can we have the poll now? First poll is, what are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? What are the top 3 trends that are currently impacting your industry? digital transformation, COVID disruptions, availability of finance, business continuity, and operational resiliency, business growth slash expansion. I would request all the attendees to please give your opinions. This opinion is very much valuable for us. We have 10 seconds to vote for this. Second poll is, what are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? What are the top 3 areas of investment for your company? Hiring to meet demand, upgrading technology, software, hardware, upgrading infrastructure like internet, cloud connectivity, and another, telecom solutions, operations, marketing, and sales. We have 10 seconds to vote for this. Third poll is, which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Which of the following Tata Tele services offering are you aware of? Collaboration solutions, IoT solutions, connectivity solution, data and voice, cloud and SaaS, security solutions. We have 10 seconds to vote for this. I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable opinion for this poll. Fourth poll is, what is your source of information while choosing a technology product services for your company? Online, for example, Google search, blogs, forum, website, LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. Offline, newspaper, magazines, peer reviews, events and webinar, any other options? Thank you for the participating in polls. So before starting the session, I would just like to communicate some house rules. This session will be for next 45 minutes, followed by the question and answer and your feedback. And all the attendees will be on mute and listen mode only. And if you have any query during the session, I would request all of you to please write your query in chat box. We will take each questions after the session. So without taking much time, now I would quickly introduce you to our eminent speaker, Mr. Yogesh Dubey, Senior Solution Expert from Tata Tele Business Services. And I would request him to please take the session ahead. Over to you, Yogesh.
Yeah, thank you, Anil. Hope my screen is visible and I am audible.
Yes, sir, it is visible and you are audible.
Yeah. So, hi, everyone. Very good afternoon to all of you. And I hope you are staying safe. Okay. So, I am Yogesh Dubey. I'm part of Solution Engineering team. And I'm working as a solution architect in Tata Tele Business Services from last 9 years. Okay. So, today I will talk about what is happening in the technology front and during this COVID time. And also, I will talk about what is happening in SME, how they are adopting the technology, and what kind of challenges they are facing during this COVID time. So, I will just go through on this and followed by question and answer. So, this is the universal truth, right? So, change is the only constant, and probably you believe or not believe. So this is the only truth, and we have seen there are a lot of changes happened during this pandemic period. Okay, and I can say this is the forcefully, because being a human, we are not ready to adopt a change. But yes, this is the requirement of time, and a change is necessary to just grow in our business, as well as adopt the business dynamics, and just we can survive by adopting the changes. Okay. So now what is happening in SME? Okay, so I have seen there are a lot of changes happened during this pandemic period. So organizations are just planning the business continuity, which was not earlier. Okay, almost I believe all the organizations, they are ready with the business continuity plan, so that if something goes wrong, so how they can run their business. Okay. Second thing, we have seen that organizations are adopting cloud technology, so that they can work from anywhere, and this cloud services or solutions are available to support their business. And during this pandemic period, we have seen that security is also one of the major concerns. So a lot of cyber attacks are happening. So how you can secure your asset, how you can secure your database, how you can secure your infrastructure. So this kind of things are happening during this pandemic phase. Okay. Now, during this pandemic, the majority of challenges we have seen, which organizations has faced or still facing, that how to track your employee. So there was lockdown and employees started working from home. And as an organization or as a business owner, how you can track whether your employees are working or not working? How is it? Okay. Second challenges, we have seen that how to collaborate. Okay, so how you can interact with your customer, how you can conduct your business reviews, how you can and conduct any kind of town hall, or you can conduct any kind of business meet events. Okay, so collaboration plays a very important role during this lockdown phase or pandemic phase. Okay, and third thing, we have seen that during this work from anywhere kind of scenario, how you can access your infrastructure, whether it's your applications or whether it's a server. Okay, and also we have seen that if your business is depend upon the voice based solutions, so how you can access your voice solutions during this work from home. Okay, so I believe the infrastructure, earlier the infrastructure is made at your offices. Now employees started working from home. So how they can take the incoming call or outgoing call, how they can communicate with your customer. So these kind of challenges are majority we have seen with the organizations. Okay. Also, during this pandemic phase, SMEs started or organizations started adopting technology, and the main guidelines to adopt this latest or upcoming technologies. Okay, so these are the simple guidelines. Okay, so I have already mentioned that cloud is one of the good technology wherein organizations have adopted this kind of technology. So always it's better to just rent your infrastructure, rather it's owning by your own. Okay, so you can save a huge infrastructure cost. Okay, so there are a lot of service provider available who are providing business applications, who are providing infrastructure as a services, who are providing platform as a services. So basis on your requirement, you can just subscribe it. And also earlier there was the problem of over provisioning of the resources. Okay, but this cloud technology has given the flexibility so that you can just provision the infrastructure which is required basis on your uses. Okay, and there is also one good model that pay per use kind of thing. So whatever you are going to utilize, so you can just pay for that. Okay, and one of the important thing is that as a organizations, so we can adopt a technology, but also we need to ensure that we are getting a proper service and support once the services is adopted or it's implemented. So you need to finalize the vendor who are providing the post-sale service support. Okay, generally this part is ignored by us. So let's say if you have implemented some services and later on, if you are not getting a proper services, then probably that service is not for your business. Okay, so you cannot utilize that kind of services if you are not getting a proper support. So this is a very critical nowadays. So also ensure which whatever the technology or whatever the solutions you are adopting, so your vendor should provide the proper post service and support. Okay. So this is just a market analysis. Okay, so based on this data, we have seen that 43% SMEs, so they are adopting the digital marketing platform. 75% SMEs, okay, so they are already adopted digital technology, okay, and also the 73% organizations, they are ready with the post-COVID scenario. So they have already built their business continuity plan. They have built their infrastructure in such a way so that they can run their business in any time of circumstances. Okay. Now, as a Tata Tele Business Services, how we can help you, since we are supporting enterprise business from last 15 years, and basis on our own experience, basis on our customer feedback, we have designed and developed our product portfolio. But yes, I have mentioned that change is the only constant. Okay, so we have seen during this pandemic phase, the requirement of our customers are changed. Okay, and keeping in mind, we have also started offering some of the new product and services which is aligned basis on the current time, and probably this can help you to just grow your business. Okay, so we have started some new services, like we have started SD-WAN, we have started point-to-point cloud connector. So there are a lot of cloud adoption. Okay, so how you can ensure the private and secure connectivity with your cloud service provider. So we have started this point-to-point cloud connect. Okay, a smart internet. So this is a very good solution wherein we have inbuilt the VPN as well as the security parameters along with the internet offering. Then for business continuity, we have started the dual last mile internet, so that you can just ensure the redundant link and higher up times. Okay. In collaboration, we have started Zoom services, so Zoom meeting, Zoom webinar. Okay, and in cloud, we have started cloud telephony platform, so that wherever you are, you can make or receive calls. Okay, and in security, we have started the cyber security portfolio. During this work from home, yes. So if your employees are working from home, so how they can access your infrastructure? So keeping in mind, we have started this VPN services over the multiple platforms. So if you are using internet, so we can provide the VPN over the internet. If you are using the MPLS connectivity, so we can provide this VPN over the MPLS, so that your employees who are who are working from home or who are working from anywhere, so they can just access your office infrastructure by using this kind of services. And this is end-to-end services provided by Tata Tele Business Services with the SLA commitment. So we are ensuring that 99.5% SLA, so that your service will be up and running. In security, I have mentioned during this lockdown, there are a lot of cyber attacks are happening, and even the big giants, okay, big organizations, they are also affected with the cyber threats. Okay, and this cyber, how these cyber attacks are happening. So obviously there are 3-4 ways wherein the cyber attackers are attacking in your infrastructure or your database or your assets. Okay, so while you are accessing internet, so this is the one of the media wherein the cyber attackers can try to hack your login credentials or try to hack your network. Okay. Second thing is that the removable media devices like your USB hard disk or any removable media. So that is one of the media wherein the attacks can be happened. Okay. And also this during this work from home, that if your network is not secure or you are not using the VPN kind of connectivity, so probably there might be a chances of cyber attacks. Okay. And one of the major media wherein we have seen the cyber attacks are happening, that is the email. Okay, so attackers are sending some spam emails. Okay, with some exe file or some the video files, wherein just you open the video or you are open the just execute the exe file and the attacks are happening. So these are some way wherein your infrastructure can be hacked or then that can be attacked with the cyber attacks. Okay. So probably you have seen in the news channels or newspapers, there are a lot of cyber attacks are happening, and it's increasing day by day. Okay, so it's a very important for organization to protect your infrastructure, protect your application, protect your server from these cyber attacks. Okay, keeping in mind, we have started this cyber security solution. Okay, and also you should remember that security is a kind of layered approach. So it does not mean that if you have built a firewall or if you have built any of the security application and your complete infrastructure will be protected. Okay, or it's a safeguard from the cyber attacks. No, always security is built on a layered approach. Okay, so there will be a firewall, there will be some applications, there will be some cyber security parameters which you need to just build so that there will be a very minimum chances to for chances for attackers to attack or enter in your infrastructure or your applications or your servers. Okay, so we have started multiple cybersecurity solutions like endpoint security. So to protect all your endpoints, I mean your laptop, your mobile phone, your tablets from any kind of cyber attacks. Okay. So this is a kind of end-to-end security solutions. Okay, and there are a lot of features we are providing to this endpoint security. So this can work as antivirus, anti-spam, anti-malware, anti-ransomware. Also, we are providing some UTM features like IPS, IDS, where web filtering, content filtering. So this is a completely end-to-end solutions for your endpoints. Then secondly, solutions we have started is the email security. And I have mentioned that there are a lot of attacks are happening to the email. So how you can protect your inbound mail or outbound mail? So by using this kind of solution, email security, which can help you to protect all your emails, whether it's inbound or outbound, from any kind of viruses, malware, or any kind of spam or any kind of phishing emails. Okay. Web security. So this is a platform wherein if your employee are visiting any website, okay, and probably this website is hacked or this website is not a genuine website or this website are a phishing website. So probably they might hack your login credentials or your username and password. So how you can ensure this kind of threat? Okay, so by using say web security platform. So this platform is very intelligent platform wherein the complete database lies with this platform, so that if your employee is visiting any website, so this platform will check whether this website is genuine, this website is phishing, or this website has been hacked, and based on that the permission will be allocated to your employees to visit that particular website. Otherwise, it will be denied. Okay. Virtual firewall. So we have started the software version of firewall, so that can be built over the cloud or any of your virtual machines, and we can configure the complete firewall policy. So this is kind of next generation firewall. Multi-factor authentication. So you can just protect your applications or your server by authenticating in multiple ways, like your OTP based authentication, SMS based authentication, voice OTP, or there is a biometric. So this kind of solutions are available with us to protect your infrastructure or to protect from any kind of cyber attacks. Okay. The basic components I have mentioned that so this cybersecurity platform is cloud-based platform, so there is no need to build any kind of infrastructure at your premises. So whatever the services or whatever the infrastructure we have built on the cloud, and all the filters will be happened on the cloud. Okay, and there will be an administrative portal wherein you can just configure your policies. Okay, so you can manage your policies, you can apply, or you can just deploy the policies. You can configure your URL filtering or content filtering or exception list. Okay, so there are a lot of parameters available to configure your policies. Okay, also you can get the complete analytics. Okay, so you can find the security reports, you can find I can say the user-based report. Okay, and also you can configure the notifications and alerts. So if something happen in your security, or there will be a compromise in your network, so there will be some auto alert on your email or SMS based. Okay, so and also these are the cyber security solutions or application based solutions. So there is no any hardware required. Okay. and also this software or application is compatible with multiple OS. So whether it's a Windows, Linux, or any other. Okay, so what kind of feature are we are supporting through this cybersecurity solution? It can work as antivirus, anti-spyware, ransomware, application control. Okay, and also data loss prevention. DLP is there. Device control, so you can just allocate some permissions, like your employee can access the USB drive or CD drive, whatever. This kind of permission you can configure. Also, this is the kind of UTM features we are offering through this cybersecurity solution, so that you can just allow or block your content or website filtering. So a lot of features are available with this platform. So probably you can just explore this, and you can just protect your network or your applications. So this is one of the case study wherein we have provided this cybersecurity solution to one of the BPO. So during this lockdown period, so this particular company started working from home. So the biggest challenge for this organization is that how they can secure their applications while the agents are working from home. So we have provided this cybersecurity solution. We have provided endpoint security, firewall, virtual firewall, and multi-factor authentication, so that they can just authenticate their employee who are trying to access their applications. Okay. Now I will talk about the cloud telephony. Okay, and I can say that this is a very popular nowadays, because this gives us the flexibility, so that you can just work from anywhere. You can make any call to your customer. You can receive call from your customer. Okay, so this is 100% cloud based solution. So there is no need to build any kind of infrastructure at your premises, like EPBX or any kind of PRI system. Okay, and whatever the infrastructure is provisioned, that is on the service provider data center. Okay, so since this infrastructure is also built in the data center platform, so service provider is providing a higher up times. Okay, so hardly you will observe any kind of downtime. Okay. So this cloud telephony platform is anytime, anywhere communication model. So this supports 100% work from anywhere. Okay, so there is no any infrastructure cost required, because this is the cloud-based services. Also, this is a very secure platform, because as a service provider, it's the responsibility of service provider to ensure the complete security of their customers. Okay, and also this cloud telephony platform provide you the complete analytics, so that you can just check whether your employees productivity, or which employees are working or not working, how they are making the calls, what about the call recording. So many more ways you can get the analytics. Okay. So this smart flow is the platform wherein we are providing multiple type of services. Okay, so inbound services, if you have a requirement of only incoming call, wherein you have published one number and your customer is calling on that particular number, wherein you can configure the IVR, single level IVR, or multiple level of IVR. So this kind of solution is available. Click to call solution is available, so that you can just integrate this click to call with your applications, website, or your mobile application, so that if anybody will just click on this particular tab, that call will be initiated from the cloud telephony platform. Okay, this platform supports missed call services. So there are a lot of requirement from the customer, wherein they are publishing one number and asking their customer to give the missed call. Okay, so this type of services is there. Also, we are providing the dialer services, outbound services. Okay, so this OBD is nothing but probably you might have experienced that you just get a call, and once you pick up the call, so there will be some recorded message. So by using this OBD, outbound dialer, you can just run any campaign, whether it's a marketing campaign or any transactional campaign. So you can run with this OBD platform. So this is one case study, and also this customer is the BPO customer, wherein they have 500 agents, and they started working from home. So for a BPO company or call center type of company, wherein the calling is only their business model. Okay, So during this work from home, this organization bit worried how they can run their business. Okay, so we have offered this cloud telephony platform, and all their employees who are working from home, or all their agents who are working from home, so they started operating their business. Okay, so they can make any call, or they can receive any call from their customer. Okay, and we have provided a very good web panel wherein this particular organization get the complete analytics. Okay, so we have built the features like call center features like call barging, call whispering, call conference, sticky agent. Okay, and also we have providing the API integration so that this particular organization can integrate this cloud telephony platform with their CRM. So this kind of solution we have built for this particular organization. Now in collaboration, so in collaboration, we have done a tie-up with Zoom, and probably I believe everybody is aware what is Zoom. So Zoom is one of the best collaboration tool provider, and collaboration is nothing but it's a platform wherein you can have the audio, video, and web conferencing. Okay, and Zoom is one of the best collaboration tool provider. Okay, and so we have done this tie-up with Zoom, and we are providing two type of services. Zoom meeting, so this is the two-way communication meeting, and second one is the Zoom webinar. So this is one way of communication. Okay. So in case of Zoom webinar, the speaker or a host can just deliver their speeches, and rest other participant can just listen it. Okay. Zoom, so probably there are a lot of feature offered by Zoom. Okay, and best part is that Zoom is providing the unlimited conferencing. Okay, and single conferencing can go up to 30 hours. Okay, and also this platform is secured. Okay, so probably there you have heard about the security. So there were some news where that Zoom is not maintaining the security. But I will assure you this is a 100% secure platform wherein Zoom is ensuring 256 TLS encryption. Okay, and so there is no any chance to just leakage any kind of data during this transit period. Okay, and also you can find the live transcriptions. Okay, so let's say if cross cultural interaction is happening, so multiple countries people are talking with each other, and they are talking in their local languages. Okay, so this platform provides the live transcription so that everybody can understand what the other person is talking. Okay, and Zoom is the cloud-based platform. So also this is part of software as a services. So there is no any need to build any kind of infrastructure. So this is just a URL. You can just click on the URL and you can just join in your meeting. Okay. We have also started SD-WAN, software defined wide area network. Okay. So during this pandemic, the internet utilization has increased. Okay, and in case of internet utilizations, also the organizations are looking for a tunnel kind of scenario, or looking for a VPN kind of scenario, so that they can connect their multiple offices, or they can connect with their cloud servers or cloud applications. Okay, so we have started this SD-WAN solution, and we have done tie-up with the FortiGate. Okay, and Fortinet is one of the well-known security company. So the logic behind to tie up with the Fortinet, because we are providing helping our organization to provide this SD-WAN along with the security features. Okay, so since Fortinet is kind of UTM based hardware, so we can provide the complete security solutions. Okay, with by using this Fortinet hardware, and on top of it, we are building the SD-WAN wherein you can just connect all your offices or your cloud services by using the any kind of IPsec or SSL channel. Okay. So in SD-WAN, yes. So here generally you can just optimize your network performance and uptime. And since we are building the controller in our data center, so you need to you need not to invest on this kind of hardware. Okay, and also this is provided by Tata Tele Business Services as an end-to-end solution. So there will be no any hardware you need to procure. So whatever the hardware is required, that is provided by Tata Tele Business Services. And since this is the 48 gate hardware, so we are also building the complete security solutions. Okay, so this is how we are providing this SD-WAN. Okay, and also this solution is operator agnostic solution. So there is no need to there is this is not compulsory to use the Tata connectivity. Okay, so any service provider connectivity you can use with this SD-WAN solution. So this is a 100% operator agnostic solution. And also this type of connectivity can be a multiple. So if you have MPLS connectivity, if you have internet, broadband or SIM-based connectivity, so on top of it, we can build this SD-WAN solutions. Okay. And by using this SD-WAN solutions, you can just access all your data center, DR center, HQ, or you can connect all your offices. Okay, and you can create a single network. Even if you are using any public cloud or public cloud-based applications, so that can be also accessible by using this SD-WAN. Yeah. So what are the key features we are providing through this SD-WAN? Okay, so as an organization, so you can just optimize your network performance. So let's say if you have two services or two connectivity solutions, so we can build the auto failover so that we can configure both the link as an active, so that you can just optimize all your network connectivity. Okay, and also we are providing a centralized web portal. Okay, so that you can just check the complete analytics, traffic utilizations, and also you can configure your traffic policies. Okay, which kind of application will go from which link or which service provider. So this type of policy you can build. There is a complete analytics wherein you can just check the traffic utilizations and other parameters. Okay, and also on top of it, we are building the security features like IPS, IDS, web filtering, network filtering, antivirus, malware protection. So all these security parameters will be built. Okay. Now I will talk about the IoT, Internet of Things. Okay, and in IoT, so basically I will talk about the location-based services. So location-based services is nothing but it's a kind of tracking solutions wherein we can provide the multiple kind of variants to track your multiple things. Okay, for example, let's say if you want to track your fleet, like for example, any bus, truck, car, or your cab. Okay, so that is part of fleet management. If you are into education segment and you want to track your school bus, so that is part of school bus tracking. And in school bus tracking, we are providing a mobile application, and this mobile application can be shared with all the parents, and parents can come to know where the school bus. Okay, if you have a workforce who are roaming here and there in market, and you wanted to track them, so that is part of workforce tracking. Asset management. So if you are into, I can say, logistic business, or you are a manufacturing firm wherein you are transporting some goods and material from one location to other location, and you wanted to track that, so that is part of asset management. So fundamentally all are the same, but for different use cases we have just defined these different variants. So here we will provide a web panel, and in this web panel you can get the real-time location detail of your things. Okay, but apart from basic tracking, there are some other features are available. So here you can create your own defined route. You can create a geofence area. You can just check the route replay. You can just limit the speed. Okay, or you can get the over speed reports or alerts. Okay, and also this fleet management can be integrated with external devices like your temperature sensor or your fuel sensor if you have some such kind of requirement. So there are many features available with this platform, and basis on your requirement, we can just build those features. Okay. Now, a smart office. So this is also a very good solution, and nowadays every organization are bit worry about the cost part. Okay, so how they can optimize their cost. So this kind of solution will help you. Okay, so what is this smart office? So basically, this is kind of appliance which wherein we have built multiple features. So we'll provide a single hardware and you can get a multiple features. Okay. And this hardware we are providing is just free of cost. So this is no need to pay single rupee for this hardware. Okay, so this is end-to-end solution provided by Tata Tele Business Services. And beauty of this hardware is that we have clubbed multiple networking elements in a single hardware. So let's say, for example, this hardware can work as a router, firewall, your Wi-Fi access point. There is a LAN switches. Okay, and also there is a Wi-Fi controller. There is a EPBX, IPBX. So multiple networking elements we have built with in a single hardware. So hence we are referring this is the smart office. Okay. And in case of smart office value proposition, okay. So since this is end-to-end managed services by Tata Tele Business Services, so you need not to purchase any kind of hardware. So this is just a free of cost integrated solution. So there are multiple networking elements we have inbuilt here, and this is future ready. So this is we are continuously innovating this services. Okay, so earlier we have come up with a limited feature. Now we are expanding these features so that our customers or the organizations don't need to worry what is happening in the future, and basis on that how the service can be availed. Okay, so we this part is well taken care by us. Okay, in case of the EPBX feature, so all the EPBX features we have inbuilt in this smart office box, like all the call recording, auto attendant. Also, we are providing the flexibility so that you can just use the analog phone, you can use the IP phone or digital phone, or you can just use the soft phones. Okay. So this kind of flexibility is also provided by using this smart office solution. Okay. Now, the capacity of this smart office box is that it supports 96 users, wherein 32 users can be connected through the analog phones, and just 64 users can be connected to the IP phones. Okay. Now, we believe that continuous innovations. Okay, and there are a lot of product and services that are in pipeline, and we will launch in very short time. So probably you can just subscribe our social media sites like in the LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, so to get the update about our product and services. Okay. So this is our capabilities. Okay, as a Tata Tele Business Services, so we have connected 60,000 commercial buildings. So you can find our connectivity. Okay, we have around 40,000 plus SME customers. We have 1,400 partners. Okay, so also you might know that we are not doing a direct business. We are doing our business with the help of our channel partners. Okay, so we have a very good channel partner team who are generally interacting with you for any kind of sales service and support. Also, we are present in almost 60 plus cities wherein we can provide our services across India. Okay. So I think this is our complete product portfolio. So as a service provider, we are not limiting ourselves as a connectivity provider. So apart from connectivity, we are into other field. Okay, so we are providing security solutions, collaboration solutions, cloud solutions, okay, marketing solutions, IoT solutions. Okay, so these are the complete product portfolio. So basis on your requirement, even we can develop new product and services, or we can customize in our existing product and services. Okay, so I think that's it from my side. Okay, thank you very much for your time. So over to you, Anil.
Yeah, thank you so much, Yogesh sir, for such a wonderful session and insight on smart solutions, security, Zoom, SD-WAN, and IoT portfolio, which is given by you. It's a great insight, and I hope all the participants have got lots of updated information through this session. So with this, I would like to thank you all the audience for their participations. And if you have any query, as the screen shown by the sir, there is a mention the number 1800 266 1800. you have any kind of query, you may dial this number and you can write on email big at tatatele.co.in. Any kind of query you may write and you can visit. You can subscribe us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, so that you will get all the relevant information which is required by you. So I thank you again for joining the session on time. And end of the session, you will receive 4 survey questions. So I would request each of the participants to please give your valuable feedback. That 4 question will be very, very much important for us to take the session accurate and way forward in future. I would request each of you to please give your valuable feedback. So we are ending the webinar for the day. Stay safe, eat healthy, and be healthy. Thank you so much once again for the participation. Thank you, Yogesh sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks, Anil. Thanks, everyone. So, is there any question?
No, sir. No question is.
Okay, great. Thank you.